Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today I'm doing a review of DoorDash's DashPass. So I went out and I bought DoorDash's DashPass, which if you guys don't know what that is, it's for DoorDash's when you order food with DoorDash, you can pay like $9.99 per month to sign up for DashPass. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. I just bought it because I've been ordering food lately and I said, why not? I'll give it a shot and see if I can save money. So they advertise it as a way to basically, you get free delivery on orders over $10 and then you pay less service fees. But I didn't realize that you don't get free delivery from over $10 from every restaurant. So I'm just gonna talk about it, the pros and cons, and whether or not it is worth it. So let me just sync up my phone here first and I can show you what it does look like. So this is my DoorDash app right here. And as you can see up here on the top left, I have this DashPass right here. So these places here are the other ones I can order from, and I can just go to my order history and show you guys. So the other day I got this acai bowl from Bon Bon Berry frozen yogurt, and if you can see here, I wanted to go to my receipt and show you guys how. So yeah, delivery was free, and then the service fee I saved about 66 cents for that. So in grand total I saved about $3.50 on this. So if it's $9.99, I would have to basically do 3 orders from one of these qualifying restaurants in order to kind of make my money back from DashPass. But yeah, I can just go here into my mail and show you guys the email that I got when I did sign up for DashPass. If you order from DoorDash frequently, I would say it's worth it, but if you aren't ordering from DoorDash a lot, then it's not worth it. And I was actually surprised. Here we go. I was surprised on one of the things that I couldn't get, which I'll get into in a minute. Welcome to DashPass. You're in Dylan. Choose from thousands of restaurants with 0 delivery fees. Just place an order of $10 or more and you're good. So, as you can see here, it says choose from thousands of restaurants. I thought it was on every single order over 10 bucks, but it's not. It's actually not on a lot of restaurants, so I might cancel it unless I can just see it, you know, saving me a lot of money. It might be worth it if I order enough front, because I do. Fortunately, Chipotle is on it, but there's a lot that aren't. And one of the things that I was surprised about is that it doesn't work for Dunkin' Donuts, which was one of the reasons why I got it, was because I really like Dunkin' Donuts and I wanted to start getting coffee delivered to me because I work from home and, you know, it takes me a lot of time to go out and get coffee. Like if I want to go out and buy Dunkin' Donuts, for instance, it's gonna take me 30-40 minutes, you know, round trip, go there, gotta wait, gotta go through the drive-through, whatever. There's not even one with a drive-through near me, so I figured, hey, you know what, if I spend 10 bucks a month, I can get it delivered to me for free, and it'll save me a lot of time and money because, you know, I don't have to stop working to go out and get coffee. But then I tried it and it didn't even work. I had to, like, I think I have it right here. This is it. So this is how much it cost me to order 1 muffin and 1 coffee. I wanted to try it out. Oh, I had to pay a small order fee. I didn't even realize that. I got totally screwed on this one. I paid $11 for this. My hot coffee was only $2.79 and the muffin was only $2. But the Chipotle one, this one was a really good deal actually. Cost me 15 bucks, I think. Is that what it costed? Oh, dash your tip, $3. Yeah, so without the tip, it was $11.45 plus 86 cents. So I did leave him a $3 tip. But other than that, it would have been $12.88 for that. So, yeah, like that's actually, I think that actually cost the same as if I just went into the store and ordered it. So I did like not spend any extra money on that. So I think if you're ordering like Chipotle a lot or like simple meals like that, it is definitely worth it. But also I had, if you can see, I just wanted actually a bowl for $9.05, but I had to spend over $10, so I did have to get a side of guac or something too, you know, you get chips or whatever. So it did end up, like if I did go to the store, I probably would have only spent that $9, but in total, you know, yeah, I mean, I guess there are pros and cons. The pros are that it does save you a lot of money, but the cons are it doesn't qualify for a lot of restaurants. So those are the pros and the cons. But I would say try it out. The main reason I'm making this is to share with you, and also I hope I get enough ad revenue on this video to pay for my DashPass. I hope I get like $10 off this. But yeah guys, anyways, that's it. I gotta get going because I see a cop leaving tickets and I don't want to get a ticket. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Check out DashPass if you want, and if you do have it, let me know down below if you do like it or not. And otherwise, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day guys, bye.